Okay, question 9. We're given this triangle and we're told various things about it. Now, we're given the degrees and we're also told it's an isosceles triangle. We're then asked to find x. Well, we can do a couple of things. Firstly, we can say it's it's an isosceles. So this angle is the same as that. Those two sides are the same. So we know 2x plus 12y is 8x plus 5y. And so we might say, to start with, let's simplify this a bit, so 6x, 7y. I'm going to call that statement 1. Okay. Because of the number of angles in a triangle, we know if we add them all up, so if we add up this plus this plus this, they're going to equal 180. So we've got 14x plus 10x, so we know that 24x plus 12, 27, 32y is 180. Okay, so we have beginnings of a simultaneous equation. Excuse me. So from this one, from 1, 2, I'm going to try and cancel out the x's, so times that by 4. We know that 24x equals 28y, times that by 4. Okay, so we can then substitute that in. We can say 28y, that is substituting in, plus 32y equals 180. So 60y equals 180, y equals 3. And if y equals 3, then from this one, 21 is 6x, x equals 3.5. Oops, 3.5. Okay. Part 2, angle ABC. So this was A, B, C. We're looking for 2x plus 12y. Wait a sec. 2x plus 12y is 2 times 3.5, which is 7, plus 12 times 3, which is 36, 43. Okay, so that's part A. Part B. Okay, let's draw a biggish triangle, try and make this clear. And we've got this sort of thing going on. This is P. What have we got? Q, R, S, and T. And we're told various things about it. We know that this is 38, and we're after this angle, which we're going to call S. Okay. What else are we told? TP is PR, So TP is the same as PR. So this is an isosceles, which means that this is x. Well, let's say if that is x and that is x, then we'll come back to it, we should be able to work out that. And we also told that PS is PQ. So another isosceles, PS is PQ. Which means that's y, and that's 180 minus 2y. Okay, there are different ways of doing this. I'm sure this is the way I first did it. If you've got a graceful or easier solution, do let me know. Always interested. If we have a look at the triangle PTR, so PTR tells us that all these angles are going to add up to 180. So you've got 2x plus 38 plus 180 minus 2y plus equals 180. Okay, we can simplify that to, those cancel out. So 2x minus 2y is minus 38. So x minus y is minus 19. Okay, now, I should probably say here is a mistake people often make, or not so much a mistake, but where they get confused or upset by the whole thing is, well, how do you know to do this? How do you know? At this point, when I was doing it, I didn't know. I sort of hoped, and I'm sort of hoping it works out. I'm just playing around with the numbers and trying to find, here's something that's true, here's another something that's true, and there's an element where you just trust to luck and you say, well, from that, look, there's a link here, and we'll see what works. So just by looking at the big triangles, that's given me one equation. Okay. If we look again at, let's try this one, SQR, that's got the angle we want in it, SQR, almost Roman greatness. This angle here is 180 minus y, because that's a straight line. So what we can say is S plus x plus 180 minus y is 180. So that plus that plus that is 180. Now, at this point, hopefully beginning to see we've got x minus y and x minus y. So we can start rearranging. X plus x minus y is 0. Okay, so s plus that minus 19. Oops, s minus 19 is 0, so s is 19. There's our answer. Okay. Again, lots of these. Don't be afraid just to assume if that's that, then work out what else must be true.